champions, and welcome to It's DawnyWawnyTime. DawnyWawny is here today. I'm so excited. Yes! With a new video, okay? And this video is going to be an unboxing of an item that I purchased. And so if you're interested or wondering what that might be, then just keep watching. Okay, so I purchased a makeup mirror, a new makeup mirror. And I've been eyeing this mirror and eyeing this mirror. I've seen it in person. I've played with it. And I just never wanted to bite the bullet because this is a pricey mirror, makeup mirror. But I just love it. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and purchased it. So I purchased it from Beautylish, okay? But you can also purchase it from the website. Now I'm getting to what mirror it is, okay? But from Beautylish, this is the box it came in, and it was packed very, very well. This is the item, and then let me just show you. I just love Beautylish because they package their stuff to make it through anything. But it was wrapped in all of this black paper around the package, and then this was on the outside of it, and then in the bottom of the box there's more black paper and padding. So I love purchasing things from Beautylish. They never steer me wrong, and everything arrives perfectly packaged. Now this is the item itself, and this is how it's packaged. And Beautylish, this is their trademark. Well, not trademark, but this is the way that they package anything, with the paper with the little black around it. Now let me put my, and then they done threw something in here. I don't even know what that is, but we're gonna open this up. I'm so excited. Cause my other makeup mirror, it kind of like went on the blitz. So I needed another lighted makeup mirror because I've been using my, my filming lights, and I'm not trying to burn those bulbs out so quickly. But I purchased the Ricky Skinny makeup mirror. It's a vanity mirror, and this is the packaging it comes out of. Now you can get this from the website, from Limelight. This is Limelight. You can get this from Limelight's website, or you can get it from Beautylish. Those are the two places that I know that are selling it. But the reason why I purchased it from Beautylish was because if you spend $100, you can break it up into 3 payments. Okay, if you spend less than $100, like between $50 and $100, you can break it up into 2 payments. So that's why I went ahead and did it. Now this thing is $195, y'all. So it better be like, it just better be like. Okay, so this, wow, it has Bluetooth on it. I mean, it's just, the people are swearing by this thing. But it came in, had to take that cellophane off the box, and we're gonna open it up. Now I'm gonna do a full review on this, but I just wanted to do an unboxing because I started opening it up and I was like, oh my goodness, I really need to turn the camera on because oh my goodness, I just got home from work and the box was here. So this is really a nice thick box. And it should be for as much as this thing costs. But I'm trying to get the daggone box open. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay, so on the inside, it has the I'm assuming this is the directions. Yeah, this is the directions on the inside. The top also has padding in it, okay? And then here is the mirror inside the box. And then it's inside of a tray that's inside of this heavy duty box. So that's cool. And then here is the mirror. Right out of the box. Okay? So, oh my goodness, you can take selfies with it. It has a magnetized, see, that's magnetized, and it holds your phone. So you just, oh, stick your phone in here. Oh, and it turns. Stick your phone and it expands to fit phones, different size. Stick your phone in here and you can take your selfie using this as the backlight. And then what else is in here? So I'm gonna be having to put this together tonight so that I can use it in the morning. Okay, this must be the cord. Girl, child, this stuff is in here. Look at this. But I love it because it just keeps it protected from getting destroyed. I don't know, y'all, if y'all knew what they do to boxes in the shipping process, it'd be unbelievable. Okay, this is the charging cord, and you got the USB where you can plug stuff in and you can charge it. And then it also comes with the stand. And then it also has, oh boy, it also has a magnetic magnifying mirror that you can, well, it's supposed to. Oh, I probably have to take that off. I probably have to do something for this to sit on, but this is supposed to be magnified where it can go on here when you need magnification. But this is it. So I am so very excited to have it. And as I said, I look for a review coming probably within the next week, because it's not going to take me long to know what, when, where, and why with this thing, because like I said, I'm going to be using it tomorrow. I'm so very excited. So, but that's what it is there. And in that review, I'll give you all of the details and stuff. So I'll tell you what I'll need for y'all to do. Leave in the comments down below any questions that you may have so that I can address those questions in my review. Like I said, I'm going to be using this in the morning, and I will probably give the review like the early part of next week. Okay, I've already got videos scheduled for the rest of my days this week, but maybe next week, well, I can't say next week, look for a review. So just leave questions down below on what it is that you would like to know about this mirror. Okay, so that's it, champions. Short and sweet. Yes, yes, yes. So hey, if you happened up on my channel, just hit that subscribe button and become a champion, and hit the notification button too, so you can be notified when I upload. To all of those champions who have always supported me, I love you, I love you, I love you old, I love you new, I love you, I love you, I love you too. So, be wonderful, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Smooches!